My God, look at who's here. I can't believe it. Man, I seen you guys in Quartzsite.
Yep.
At that big fire. What a nice live stream we had, Tom.
The hobo camp.
Yeah, the hobo camp.
Yeah, he gets the credit for it.
Yeah.
He might come up with the idea, so.
I showed up a week late.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, announce your channels.
Sasnak. It's Kansas spelled backwards. S-A-S-N-A-K.
Okay, and they can find you on YouTube?
YouTube, yep.
Okay, Tom?
Hobo Tech.
Hobo Tech. Yay.
Yay.
Hobotech.tv.
Yeah.
Hey, all RVerTV, check it out, London Bridge. I'm gonna go out here and have lunch on the water. Plus, I've been goofing off. Got a couple errands to do. We're also gonna run out to SARA Park. Check that out too, at the south of town. Well, and also I'm getting a van loaded up. I think there's a road trip coming up. Soon. Yay. Finally. Weather's still iffy. I mean, those winds the other day were just screaming, but you know what? It's mid-February. It's definitely going to start warming up in a hurry. Yay. Time to hit the road. Anyway, I thought I'd sneak out here. I got to check a few settings on the drone, so I'm going to fly out here and figure that out, and then we're going to head south of town down here near SARA Park. I had some questions about SARA Park. Also, I got friends camping out there too, so we'll check it out. Here we are, beautiful Lake Havasu. Look at this. Look at the color of the water. Alright, well, we're going to check settings on the little drone. You're going to see it. This is the DJI Mavic Mini 2. I've been playing around. It doesn't have near the settings that my Mavic Pro 2 has, but still a really good picture. I like the colors on this. Look at that. Look at all the dirt trails there. You can ATV all through here. They got a racetrack. Well, kind of a outdoor track. I don't know. It's a race. Right down there a little ways. Yeah. Oh, look at the kayaker out there. Cool. Speedboat coming up through. Nice. And a bird flying down there. Too cool for school. Boy, you can see right down in that water. Get up a little higher here. People enjoying the beach down there. Probably got jet skis or just camping. Alright, looking good. Well, let's head towards south of town. There's a place called SARA Park. And it's huge. They got hiking trails. I thought we'd run through there and check it out. Then go look up a couple buddies of mine. Always like driving around out. This is actually called Havasu Island. One side of it's all kind of just like a park, trails and everything. The other side is congested housing developments, RV parks, all kinds of stuff. Matter of fact, oh yeah, there's that big boat ramp up here. They call it Site 6. Want to check it out? Heck yeah. This would be actually the very end of the island out here. It's kind of cool. It's like a marina. It is a marina. Huge amount of boats come out here. Look at the circle. How'd you like to live in that circle? They circle a swimming pool. This is high rent district too. All these RV resorts, you're gonna spend over $1,000 a month out here, I bet. Easily. Way back there's a big city now of Lake Havasu. But that's it. That's what Site 6 is, boat ramps. Then on this side over here, check it out. You can actually drive your car or rig down there. It's day use only though. You can't camp here. Straight across, that's California. The mighty Lake Havasu. What a pretty day. There's where all the lighthouses are. We were way down the other direction. About a half mile down that way is where we're testing the drone. Still testing colors. I'm messing with the controller here a little bit. Looking good though. You know, there's such a contrast between the brown and the water. It's a photographer's dream. Alright, anyway, I always mention Site 6 and someone asks, what is it? Well, there it is. But the circle of those mobile homes there too. Alright, well we need to head down to 95 and start heading south. Get off the island here. There's the entrance for that Site 6. Yeah, look at these houses up here on the left. I don't want to stop, but them things are so close together and they're $1 million homes. They're huge. The square footage in them. Just insane. Right here on the right, there's the Havasu Marina. That thing is huge. Huge, huge, huge. Straight out, there's the bridge, and there's that big hotel. Look how empty the lot is. That COVID really affected Havasu. But look straight out. That's the big marina. That thing is massive. They got hundreds and hundreds of boats. Look at all the trailers they parked down in that lot. Storage, everything. Here's another look at the island. See? Residential one side, the other side's a big park. Then you got that campground there. I stayed there, a while back. It was alright. Had a good view of the water. Really crowded too. Everything's crowded. Real estate's a premium here. And the mighty London Bridge. This is a long weekend, last day of the long weekend. Lots of people here. Wonder how many people actually visit. It's got to be in the millions. Because this place is always packed. See the flags flying and the visitor center's usually open. Down below. Alright, here we go. Right up here, we're gonna cut over and get back on 95. Let's go check out that SARA Park. Been a long time since I've been back in there. Make a left here. This is 95, AZ 95. We're heading south. Havasu, we're roughly, what would it be, 30 plus miles north of Parker. In Quartzsite, you're about 75, 80 miles. Tons of people come out of Quartzsite to come up here and shop. They got the big Walmarts and all the big stores here. Alright, we're gonna make a right up here. We're right at the edge of Havasu. We're almost out of the town limits. This is McCullough Boulevard South. There's actually two entrances in here to SARA Park. They have hiking trails, just miles of it. ATV stuff. You can ride horses in here. Mountain biking. All kinds of stuff. I think there's a gun range back in here. Pretty decent roads too. No fees that I'm aware of to get in. You're a little ways from the water, but look at all the trails. That's a road we just came in on. The Colorado River is right down there. But look at all the trails. I have a bunch of different named trails. All kinds of them. Even got one called Trash Can Loop, Lizard Peak. Good parking. You always see people down there, and way out there is the Colorado. They have all kinds of events here. Rodeos, car shows. Well, this last year everything got canceled, but this is probably one of the busiest places you could come to in Havasu. And it's huge. Look at the size of it. It's just one big loop around. We'll end up back on 95. More hikers and mountain bikers parking. Alright, right up here, I'm pretty sure this is their racetrack. And they have a big ball field. All kinds of cool stuff to do. There's a batting cage. Look at the ball down. Look at the green grass. That always gets me in the desert. And huge parking lot. There's our racetrack. Busy place. I think they run on Friday nights, Saturday nights. I'm sure they got it online. Havasu really promotes their events. Way out's the lake. But look at the size of SARA Park here. It is just massive. Then over this direction, there's supposed to be a sportsman club. I think a shooting range. You can hear gunfire when you're out here. And that's heading down towards Parker out there. But look at the dirt trails. Isn't this neat? In the green grass. Yay. Come out and watch a ball game in the desert. But wait, there's more. There's the ball diamond on the left. Oh, they got games going today. Huh. Cool. Alright, right up here at 95, if you go directly across the road, that is free camping. You can camp for free out here. This is BLM land. I'll show you here in a second. See that big power pole? See all the rigs? They are camping for free. Free boondocking. Yay, in Havasu. Let's pull in. I got friends staying back in here. Little noisy with the road. If you get back far enough, it's good. But you talk about dirt trails and access to dirt trails. If you got a buggy or an ATV, this is where you want to camp. And also you can enjoy the spoils of Havasu. Well, my friends are camped here in the back. I want to go find their camp. Check it out. Here they are here. They're Tom and Stan. Met up with them down in Quartzsite. But if you ever hear there's a 95 out there, someone saying that they're camping at SARA, across from SARA Park, this is it. But look at the dirt trails. They're supposed to be like an 18-mile loop. They'll take you way back. Way, way back. You can see SARA Park. Look at the ball diamond. Look at the green grass. Isn't that neat? This isn't a huge area. And you're right next to the town. There's Havasu itself. We're right at the town limits. But you can just see the dirt trails. It looks like a honeycomb of them. Just amazed, doesn't it? They go forever. Look at them. So if you're into four-wheeling, you can go way, way back out here. mile after mile. Pretty cool. Pretty good little camp. They're way out here in the back. Once again, road trip very soon. Van's all ready to go. Got the generator all mounted. Everything's ready. Pretty happy with all that. There's Tom's van. Looking good. Journey continues. Talk soon.